Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to name the pictures. Let's start our work. The first picture is jug. We will start from this grass line. Go down, touch the root line like this. This is the joining tail. Write U. And then here G. Touch the root line and stop. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Number 7, star. The spelling of stars are, you will start from the grass line like this, make a joining tail, go up like this, make T like this, join this line to A and R. Yes, S-T-A-R, star. The next letter is nest. Like this. N E S and then T. This is nest. This is tree. Write T here. Like this. Join this with R. Then E. E. Like this. The last picture is kite. Write K, make a hum, and this joining tail. Write I, join, yes, then join T, then join E, and this. Kite. This is the end of the lesson. Let's repeat. Jug, star, nest, tree, kite. This is the end of the lesson. Bye.